what to have when it's raining on the ramp. If you don't have a lift gate or you don't want to use a lift gate, we call them runners, which is this material. Just put it on the ramp. Don't use blankets. This is the best way to do it, right there, all the way to the bottom. And this is the best way to do it when it's raining, so you won't slippery. There you go. See how good it is. So it's very protective to so you won't fall on the ramp. Because if you don't have, see, look, because if you don't have that, this is gonna slip like that. You're gonna fall very bad. So just buy a couple of these. These normally used for the floors of the house. Okay, we call them runners. I'll give you the real name, so you can buy them on New Haven Equipment or Victory Packing. But this is it. We use them for different colors. We got red carpet right there, as you can see right here. Okay, you can get them. We got like 1, 2, and 3. This works good even for the stairs, wood stairs case, so you can put it there. It won't slip even on the, you won't be trip or fall when we use these. Okay, and this protects the floor as well, so it won't get dirty or damage. Okay, so this is the best way to do it. So remember, it's raining right now, as you can see, like that. You can see the sky. It's raining, it's bad, it's water everywhere, so we have to work. See, everywhere there's water everywhere. So just do it this way, you'll be good to go. Okay, thank you. I like just to sharing it because I saw the movers the other day, because it's been raining the last whole week, and I saw they put like blankets. But if you put blankets, it's not gonna work on the ramps. Okay, and it's very hard, and you will be fall. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. Let's keep moving, guys.